Things you can do to prepare for a pandemic. Pandemics and large-scale outbreaks can claim millions of lives, disrupt societies, and devastate economies. Going 100 years back, it's surprising to know how a flu pandemic wiped off 25 million people from the earth. Go further back to the era of notorious Black Death that killed almost 75 to 200 million people. We don't expect such numbers today, thanks to modern science and technology, but read the history, and we come to know that pandemics come every now and then. And surviving a pandemic is really like the survival of the prepared. So what can we do to prepare for a pandemic? There are real, actionable things you can do to soften the impact a pandemic might have on your life and those you care about. The first and foremost thing to do is to stay home. The less you're exposed to the outer environment, the better. The second thing is stock up on the essentials. During a pandemic, you may want to reduce grocery runs to avoid exposure to people or stay at home to protect others if you do get sick. Supply shortages and cleaned out store shelves might also make it tough to find what you need at the moment. Keeping extra essentials at home can help ensure you have what you need when you need it. You should have 2 weeks' worth of food and water for everyone in your home, including pets. A continuous supply of prescription medications. It is a must to have a first aid kit and non-prescription medications, such as fever reducers and pain relievers, rehydrating fluids, vitamins, and cough or cold medicines. You should have hygiene products, including 2 or 4 weeks' worth of hand soap, shampoo, deodorant, diapers, and tampons or pads on hand. Cleaning supplies, including bin bags, washable rags, and disinfectant or bleach must be present in your home. You don't need to stock up a lifetime of supplies. Just 2 or 3 bottles will be enough. Keep calm. Pandemics can be nerve-wracking, especially if you don't know what to expect. But try to keep a cool head. Panicking can sometimes cause people to freeze up or make rash decisions that put them at unnecessary risk. Even if things feel out of your control, there are steps you can take to prepare. So focus on that. Avoid close contact with others. Flu viruses can travel through the air up to 6 feet. During a pandemic, public health officials may recommend that people keep a distance of at least 3 feet to help slow the spread. That's exactly the same reason why the plague doctors, during the notorious Black Death, kept sticks in their hands. They used the stick to examine the sick person from a safe distance, avoiding close contact with people who were sick. Keep routines at home as normal as possible. If schools are dismissed, try to keep children busy with activities and exercises at home. Keep educational materials such as books and videos on hand. Ensure that children keep up with schoolwork. Watch your children's health closely. Keeping routine normal is essential, as social isolation and quarantine can have not only physical but psychological effects too. You can avoid this by keeping a normal and healthy environment in your home. Keep a sick room. God forbid, if someone from your family starts showing symptoms, then it is important for you to keep them isolated in another room. Keep this room cleaned with disinfectants. And keep basic supplies and non-prescription medicine in that room. If possible, also choose a bathroom for the sick person to use. Plan to clean these rooms daily. Learn how to care for someone at home and how to clean the patient's room. Practice and teach everyday preventive actions. Get yourself and your household members in the routine of practicing everyday preventive actions to prevent the spread. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Wearing a mask and using gloves is not only for flu pandemics like that of coronavirus, but is advisable in any pandemic regardless of the cause. Practicing other good health habits such as getting plenty of rest, exercising, drinking plenty of fluids, eating healthy foods, and managing stress also can help stop the spread of germs and prevent the flu. Use online banking and shopping. Don't unnecessarily leave home when you can get your money at home. Do online shopping instead of roaming around in malls. So, viewers, are you ready for the pandemic? Was this video helpful for getting you ready for a pandemic? If so, then do tell us in the comment section below and keep watching our videos. Bye-bye!